State rested today during the trial of a former Hamilton County teacher.
I want to warn you here, some people may find what happened in court today disturbing. Dwayne Sanders is on trial for child sex crimes that authorities say he committed against some of his students while he was a teacher at Wallace A. Smith Elementary School. Today, more parents, a child, and experts from the Children's Advocacy Center took the stand.
Through testimony, those experts gave insight to the jury about how children are interviewed after an allegation of abuse is made.
Because there's a potential for trauma, potential for infections, so just to make sure, that the child is fully okay.
And does knowing that information help you provide the appropriate medical treatment?
Yes, it does.
The first witness called to the stand today by the defense, a high-level official within the Hamilton County School District.
News Channel 9's Lily Butler joins us now to share more about this after court ended early for the day. Lily.
Kim, Josh, defense attorneys began their case for the former teacher on trial accused of sexually assaulting his students, but not before jurors heard from another alleged victim and both of his parents. One of Dwayne Sanders' former first-grade students told the jury that Sanders touched him, both in regular school hours and in his after-school tutoring. When asked why he didn't tell anyone when the alleged abuse was happening, the child said it was because he didn't know teachers weren't allowed to do that. The young boy's mother testified about when she initially found out. She said when her son first told her about Sanders touching him at school, she asked if it was an accident.
Because I wanted it to be an accident. I wanted it to be that he just accidentally touched me.
It's been a big difference. We've had just the way that we feel as though we can kind of talk to him and address him on certain things. Just trying to be a little more careful with him and our daughter too, knowing things can happen, and we want to make sure that we kind of get told about them a little earlier than what we did.
Forensic interviews have revealed that several of the young boys did not disclose the inappropriate touching in their first meeting with investigators. Today, a lead forensic interviewer with the Children's Advocacy Center said in her experience, males may have a more difficult time opening up. Just before court ended today, Chief Talent Officer for Hamilton County Schools, Dr. Zach Brown, testified as the defense's first witness. He told jurors that Sanders was a substitute teacher for several years before becoming a teacher. Josh.
Lily, thank you. Court's expected to resume tomorrow afternoon after the defense said it needed more time to prepare its case for the jury.